ओके गाइस, सो मुझे मेरा बोट का एयरपोर्ट्स मिल गया है. सो नाउ विल डू द अनबॉक्सिंग. लेट्स स्टार्ट. विल सी, विल अनबॉक्स इट. ओके, now time to see. It's airdops 131 boats. We'll open it. Okay, so here, from here. Okay, done. Boxing है भैया बहुत जबरदस्त. Almost completed. Okay, ये मिला मुझे. Okay, so now it's sealed है. आप you can see, you guys can see here it's packed. Here also is packed, so we can't remove without breaking this sealed. So I will break this from my pen. Otherwise we can also okay, so it's done. Okay, so I had it. It's very simple. We can remove and stick it again, no issue. Okay, so I've done here also, side also, so this side also done. Okay, so we'll remove it. Yeah, oh, it's a black color. I like black, that's why. Okay, yeah, it's open. Nothing inside, just you no use. Here something in this box as well. Let's see what's in box. Oh, it's a USB cable. So thank you, because I don't had C-type USB cable, so it is useful for me. Okay, so we'll keep it aside and we'll close this box. Okay, and we'll remove this. Oh, it's you can see it's started. Okay, so what we'll see, we'll try to connect this with my, I will try to connect in my laptop. Okay, so it's removed, so removed. Okay, both are removed. You can keep this. Okay, here we will keep this. इसको हम लोग हटा देते हैं यहाँ से, ठीक है. And what we'll do one thing. ठीक है. Okay, so ये भी आ गया हमारे पास. Let's check how it's looking inside our ear. Yeah, it's look good. Yeah, there is some button here only, this side as well. Okay, so yeah, it's not visible in front. Oh, it's look good. Okay, so wait guys, I will connect this from my laptop. Okay, because I'm recording from mobile. So it's, I have enabled my Bluetooth device, Bluetooth and other devices. Okay, so I can see my Bluetooth is on, and Citrix, LG, audio, no, yeah, there is. Okay, no issue. I will connect in my mobile. I think I can connect.